So from our standpoint, we're seeing this, again, the convergence of broadcast sensibilities into areas like education and the corporate world, where they're wishing to centralize perhaps either education or training to a single location of a high quality studio, and then they want to share that content globally with a global footprint or city to city, country to country, and we're providing hardware that helps them do that effortlessly, always on, really easy to operate, to realize their dreams of being really mini broadcasters. So that's a big part of what we're doing this year. You'll see more developments in that area from us as the year goes on. The Bridge Live series of products is something we've had for a little while now. We recently announced and are shipping the Bridge Live 12G4, and that's really a gateway device that straddles the worlds of baseband video and IP video. So in essence, they can bring in their baseband video from the studio, a program mix, send it anywhere in the world via content distribution networks multiple times in different ways, and even do things like versioning for languages in real time with the hardware itself, so they can respond to all of their global needs, all from a single location. The Bridge really is an elegant product for achieving that. So the large corporate sensibility matches that of the broadcast. They want higher definition, higher frame rate, and high dynamic range as well. And that's what this kind of device helps them deliver. So yeah, the sensibilities of the broadcast world and the corporate world and education world are fully overlapped in terms of what they wish to realize, their ambitions in terms of quality, and then how they deliver it as well. So very, very similar. It's the same hardware. They're able to effortlessly achieve their ambitions and mimic the same level of quality that they're used to in broadcast. We make everything in a single interface, single window, very intuitive. You pass left to right across the screen as you set up your input to your output, save your settings, and you're pretty much off. Even an unskilled operator can come up to speed in around about 10 to 15 minutes. So for us, we've had a number of products over the last few years that respond to this new IP-based world. So things like the SMPTE 2110 standard, so bringing fiber networks in, working on compressed, working with higher frame rates, again, as I said earlier, higher definition and HDR as well, so higher dynamic range. I see those all becoming part of it because, again, as we said before, we're seeing the adoption of these broadcast high quality workflows into these other environments. So we want to support that. The good news is, I think for us, is that the take-up has been really strong and continues to be so. And as always with AJ, we want to work with our customers. They're our partners. They tell us what we should be doing, so that's going to really help.